AutoCAD versus DraftSight. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right tool can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. In this video, I will break down the key differences between AutoCAD and DraftSight so you can decide which one fits your needs. AutoCAD is a subscription only and costs around $1,865 per year. DraftSight is more affordable, starting at around $249 per year for the professional version. AutoCAD offers a polished, industry-standard UI with tons of features. DraftSight has a simpler interface that feels familiar if you have used AutoCAD before, but with fewer tools. Both support DWG and DXF formats, but AutoCAD has better native compatibility with complex files and cloud integrations with Autodesk Docs. AutoCAD supports both 2D and full 3D modeling. DraftSight focuses on 2D drafting with limited 3D tools available only in the premium version. AutoCAD runs on Windows, macOS, and has a web or mobile version. DraftSight is available only on Windows and macOS, no web or mobile app. AutoCAD is ideal for engineers, architects, and professionals needing advanced tools. DraftSight is great for students, freelancers, or teams needing affordable, solid 2D drafting. If you need advanced features and full 3D support, AutoCAD is the go-to. But if you're mainly working in 2D and want to save money, DraftSight is a strong contender. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more CAD software comparisons. Thanks for watching!